Box is kind of strong.
Jacuzzi tripping, wearing Gucci slippers, and my money flipping to another digit. I'ma stack it flipping. Now I'm acting different when that money coming. Gotta stack it different. When you money hungry and you on a mission, I can go and get it. I can stack it different. I attack it different. Now I'm acting different. My actions different. Y'all don't really get it. I'm good.
Damn, son, where'd you?
All right, what is up, YouTube? This is gonna bug me. Let me. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays, everybody. My Yeezys should be here. They should be here. Ordered the Yeezys. They should be here. They should be here. They should be here. But I have to find like a little clip piece, like a tripod kind of clip piece. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. They're not here yet, but they're supposedly on their way. I literally just woke up. It's way like early in the morning. I'm pretty excited. I really am pretty excited because this Yeezy colorway was actually available. You know what I mean? It was actually 10 more minutes now. 10 like a booger. It could be. Oops. All right, the Dollar Tree didn't have what I needed. So let's try the Dollar Store. Dollar General, Family Dollar, whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. Have a good one. We in the spirit. We're spreading positivity. But why? Okay, maybe it's over here. Yeah, man. We just vibing, man. We just vibing out, man. I'm still waiting on my Yeezys, man. These Yeezys. If you already own a pair of Yeezys, comment below. These are actually. About the time you're watching this video, like they're still out right now. Like there are more sizes out between 9 and no, it's 8. No, I'm sorry, 7 to 10. Size 7 to 10, they restocked. Size 7 to 10. Of course, you know 12, 13, 14 sold out so fast. I got my hands on a pair of 12s. I'm going to wear them. Like I wear my shoes, so I'm going to wear them. But yeah.
I got the package. I got the package. I got the package, guys. Let's go. I got the package. Reporting live. Reporting live. I got the package.
No support. Nothing. This, hold on. I'm putting this away just to see if this shows any of my information. No, it doesn't. Nothing in there. Nothing. YouTube. Here we have it. This is some type of, I ain't gonna say this is weird, but we have the official box right there. This says style F99710. I guess department 118. Well, it looks like we have somebody's hand, I would say an employee maybe. Corel. Shout out Corel, maybe he boxed or she Corel. Knox. Maybe their employee code or stuff like that. Need a boost right there, boom. Hey, I'm doing everything. I needed to see what it smell like and everything. This is people go so crazy over Yeezy Boost and everything like that. And the box is kind of strong. Alrighty. I'm gonna block out everything, but this does show. There you have it. From finish line. Yeezy Boost 350 V2s. There you have it. Ship from finish line. Woo-wee! Oh yeah, here's the receipt. They came out to $236.44, $220. And with the tax. Final receipt, purchase date right there. So that's on release date, 11/25/18 was purchased on release date. So this was purchased on release date. Now some of the fakes check the fakes as well, because some of the fakes will have. I'll do a different video, but I'll do a different video for that. But there's also purchase date. Boom. Oh wee. First impressions. Not even first impressions. I'm not gonna do that video yet. This is gonna be strictly unboxing. This boost is crazy. This boost is crazy. It's like a bubblegum bottom. Right under the tan. This boost is crazy. I have tags still in there. You guys let me know, man. What do you guys let me know? Did you guys get a W, L, whatever? But right now, you guys know, I think a size 7 through 10 is online right now. Just check it out. I'm supporting it. Yeezys. And just let you guys know, they're still sitting right now, certain sizes. Of course, the 12, 13s sold out like crazy. Okay, these pop up pretty easy. I'll do another video of the fakes. This is like a tan that will go with just about anything, even like this. Like this is like a neutral color, which is dope. I don't know if you guys can see the 3M on there. I can't see it, but maybe you guys can see if the flash on, if it's 3M or not. I'm pretty sure it's just like the other models. It should be 3M. Let's see. This is crazy. Yeah, man, any questions, you guys just let me know. I got a size 12. I'm gonna try to, I wear 12, 13s, just all depending. On the Adidas website, it did say it was true to size. So they said they fit true to size. I haven't tried them on yet, obviously.